So I made some adjustments to my hot shear, my Power Boy Anvil Hardy hole hot shear. I had that bolt hole welded back on, but only halfway up. I think that'll be the proper angle. And no matter what, I'm only planning to use this with the hand lever and not by hammering, so the welding should hold up, but if it doesn't, that's okay. The main difference is I laid back that cutting edge, as you can see, maybe to about 60 degrees, and left about a 1/4 inch thickness of flat. I also put some slight curve in the cutting edge from front to back, and I might pronounce that even more, but first just want to give it a try. The thing to remember is that this is just a simple leverage cutting tool. There's no added leverage from maybe cam gears or what you might see in a more complicated shear system. So this is 2mm high carbon, and I couldn't cut this with the hand action in my last Powerball video. I just take a small bite, but so far, success. So far, so good. So this is the same high carbon steel that I fooled around and made a mini sort of straight razor / cleaver. And so now I'll make some cuts on this, and this is exactly what I would want this tool for when I make a blade and I want to straighten out the edges. Like I said in my last Powerboy Anvil shear video from a month ago, this tool won't light the world on fire, but now that it works like this, it'll be perfect for me and what I want, and it's just another tool in my arsenal. And anything that helps me avoid grinding makes me happy. Well, this piece is a step up in thickness. It's 3mm, but it's just mild steel. Now this is 6mm mild steel, maybe a bit out of the range. The cutting edge looks good, but I'm going to refine this even more. As constructed, it's a no-go on 6mm, but that's okay. Back to the 3mm I go. I've noticed that the cutting edge seems to have a sweet spot, and I'll try to lengthen that by using my new belt sander when I get a chance. So I can genuinely say that I'm happy with this now. And that in big part is due to you guys in the comment section and all the good suggestions that I received. So don't worry about continuing to tell me what to do. I've been married for 23 years, so I'm used to it. Honestly, my wife is usually right. So I'll catch you guys next time.